Grit Studios update. We've been working. We've got a lot of stuff we've done and a lot yet to do. So I wanted to give you a quick update. New front door from Plastpro. This is a 3/4 light with rain glass. We're gonna paint this pink. Today we're at Grit Studios. I'm here with Michael Toll from Toll Sales. He is actually gonna help me install our brand new front door. So we're taking out the old ugly half-light steel door and we're about to put in a brand new Plastpro double door, which is right here beside me. This is a 3/4 light over panel with rain glass.
Rain glass.
And we are gonna install this. So you're gonna show me the ropes, right?
I don't know nothing about what I'm doing. So we're going to try to install an outswing door. We're lucky we've already measured the door, we've measured the frame, and our distributor got it exactly right.
Yeah,
so
it's going to be awesome.
Hopefully it's going to go out and the new one's going to come in and we'll be done. So Stephanie.
Yes.
Guess what's behind the aluminum?
What?
Steel.
Oh my God. You just thought this was going to be easy.
I never thought it was going to be easy.
You've been doing this long enough to never say that word. I want this on camera. We're gonna get a Suburban and we're gonna wrap it pink.
Might have to do it 2 or 3 times.
There's a nice QR code out here that says scan for install instructions.
It does? Are you kidding me?
Yes, Milwaukee for life. I wish they made them in pink. You could wrap it.
You could wrap it. You can wrap it as well.
I could wrap anything pink, including my next car.
Is there really a QR code on there? Scan for install instructions. It sure as hell is. It's got my name on here too. Shit.
You can get a Barbie Jeep.
Like a real size Jeep?
No, like a small Barbie Jeep.
No, I already had one of those when I was 3.
Yeah, you can get another one of those.
I want a real car that's pink.
Melanie want to know if you ever made chicken salad with chicken shit.
Every day, that's literally been my whole life, the last 4 years of trying to start this business.
I know. We know, we got experience too.
That is what you look up in the Entrepreneurship dictionary. That's the definition of it.
Quit.
You can't move.
Little baggy. Hallelujah.
Y'all are in?
Let's keep our day job.
We have a brand new door. She is in, she is beautiful. We have a Plastpro Nova 90 3/4 light over panel. It's got rain glass, so it's textured, you can't see through it. Also has low E on the outside as well, so it actually blocks the sun. And Michael Toll and his wife Melanie helped us install this today. It was donated by Plastpro for the studio and built by Harris Door and Millwork. So we are so excited to have this in. The whole place looks different now. So thank you for everyone involved. We have done some work in the foyer here. So we framed in this to be a closed, this was just totally open, so was this wall in the kitchen. Still got a little bit of a mess in the kitchen, but we're working on that. We're gonna hopefully get new cabinets eventually. This has been super exciting. So we framed up an 11 by 20 office for Ben and for me on the other side. And this week we did Trusscore. I'm Stefanie Couch. And I'm Ben Couch.
Trusscore Day.
That's not what we're doing. I'm Stefanie Couch.
And I'm Ben Couch.
And this is Heidi Pearl Couch. And we're here today at Grit Studios and we're about to do a Trusscore project. And we're super pumped, so we're gonna be doing the slat wall, which is going to be camera gear and tripods and all the things. And then we're gonna also have this gray vertical board at the bottom and at the top. So we're gonna get started with this. This is our first time doing this. We've watched some install videos, so we're gonna see what happens.
Success is what
It's
will
gonna be
happen.
success, all right. Let's go.
Yeah.
Once upon a time, in Clayton, Georgia, in Grit Studios, they were building a Trusscore wall and trying to stay married. This is gonna be my office, kind of a war zone right now, construction zone, but desk is gonna be here, couch here, Over here on this side, we're talking about putting a little round table so I can have some small meetings. The idea here is to have 3 areas we can meet and film while I'm in here working. These are gonna be just little sets as we walk through this hallway. This is the war room. So we're gonna have conference table. This will be framed out where we can film in here as well, and meetings, strategy days, all those cool things. This is going to end up being the Grit Lounge. So we've got a little just set up here, makeshift for now, but it's gonna be kind of a chill area, but hopefully also somewhere we can do photos and we can do filming. All right, my favorite part, the podcast area and the stage. So this actually came with the building, but we've done a lot of work here. We got new carpet, and we are going to be doing a podcast backdrop wall here with Slat acoustic walls, which is supposed to come in today. We're gonna get installed, and then we're gonna have velvet blue curtains on both sides, just really to help with sound. So this will be my podcast set, but also if we have events, we'll be able to do events up here on the stage. This guy is gonna be our photography area. It's got a little work to do, but we're just gonna have a roll down backdrop here. And then little hideaway, the Glam room is ready. So we've done a lot in here: carpet, paint, chandeliers. We redid the small bathroom, and I love this little lounge area. Heidi Pearl likes it too. Come on up, Heidi Pearl. You wanna join me? There we go. And this is the Grit Studios tour so far. We've got work to do, but we have made a lot of progress. We're getting really close to being able to live and work in here. So thanks for joining me.